Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me again, Modernism Official. Today video is on about crochet sweater patterns. So let's start our video. As crochet patterns typically require detailed instructions, stitch counts and specific techniques. However, I can give you a brief overview to how to create a basic crochet sweater for autumn. Material was used rust weight yarn in the chosen autumn color, crochet hook in the sizes H5 mm and G4 mm. Yarn needle, stitch markers patterns. Start with the H5 mm hook and create a foundation chain in the multiple of 4 for your desirable sweater width. Join the chain in the circle with the slip stitch and being working in the rounds. Crochet in the round with the double crochet stitches until you need your desirable sweater length. Use stitch markers to keep track of armholes. To create armholes, stop crocheting in the round and chain a certain number of stitching for each armhole. Then continue crocheting in the round of for your body. Work in the round for the body until you reach the desirable length for the sweater. For the sleeves, switch with the 4 mm hook and create a foundation chain for each sleeve. Join in a circle and crochet in round, decreasing stitches gradually to shape in the sleeves. Finish the sleeves when they reach your desired length and attach them to the armholes. Create a ribbed color by switching back to the H5 mm hook and crocheting was a single crocheting stitches around the neckline. Weave in the loose end with the yarn needle. Add any desired embellishment or button to finish your autumn sweater. Remember that this is a simplified overview and you may need to adjust the pattern based on your measurement and preferences. It's also essential to prefer the retail crochet sweater pattern or consult with the crochet expert for the more specific guidelines. So here are my today video. Also subscribe my TikTok page with the name of Modernism Official. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. We met in next video. If you like it, share it. Allah Hafiz.